Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Google account so your library syncs across devices. Once signed in, open the Play Music app or the web player and grant storage access. This lets you download and cache songs. Next, upload your personal files using Music Manager or drag and drop in the web interface so tracks appear in My Library. Make sure uploads finish before you proceed, because incomplete uploads won't sync to mobile devices. Now organize and start playback. Create playlists for mood or activity and add songs to your library so they're easy to find. Once done, use the search and filters to locate artists, albums, or specific tracks quickly. Sorting by recently added helps you surface new uploads. Stream immediately or choose download for offline listening. Make sure to set streaming quality and Wi-Fi only options to manage data and storage, so you don't unintentionally eat mobile bandwidth. To finish, verify your library synced to all devices by refreshing or restarting the app. This ensures playlists and uploads appear everywhere. Play your downloaded music offline to confirm files are available and check device storage if downloads fail. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, sign out and sign back in, and reupload any missing tracks. These steps usually resolve sync errors. If not, double-check account consistency and that the upload completed successfully before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.